Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you a Lovable AI alternative. So this one is actually really good. You can see Replete. If you head over to their official platform, it lets you create apps and different kind of websites from scratch without any coding knowledge. You can see they have their demo preview right on their landing page, and once you click onto that, like for example, if I have uh, developed a calculator app, and if I click on start, you can see we need to simply sign in, but it is going to be doing the job once you simply sign into their account. So we have your designs as well, and below you can see we have start with an idea. You can use different ideas of AI chats, brainstorming buddy, we have receipt generator, so on and so forth, and using these basically we can really good create a really nice and decent looking application for ourselves, or if we want to create a website. So this is going to be giving you a lot of features that are offered inside Lovable AI as well. You can see we have resources. If you head over to the product, they have your different services that you're going to be needing. So give it a try, and who knows, maybe you like it more than Lovable. So Replete is something that should go to software if you do not want to use Lovable. I hope this helps. So stay tuned and see you around in the next video.